Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to track wallets using Blockscout's powerful feature. However, before we get started, if you find the tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token, Wiki Cat, which is built on the MEXC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. So guys, first is to head to your browser and type in blockscout.com. It's spelled B-L-O-C-K Scout SCOUT.com. Guys, this particular Blockscout feature is so incredible. It allows you to search any address, transaction hash, domain name, or smart contract across multiple blockchains from a single interface. You don't need to hop between different explorers for Ethereum, Polygon, Base, or other networks. Everything is accessible in one place. So guys, you'll find a search bar on the Blockscout homepage. So let's paste a wallet address. So guys, let's paste the wallet address and see how it works. So guys, you could see according to this pie chart, the address has interacted with ETH, Base, and Arbitrum. Asteroid 80%, USDC 16%, others 3%. These are the assets or the wallet holds and their respective values. You could see Asteroid is around $14,000. Okay, another major feature is the ability to explore our decentralized applications across chains. Okay guys, for instance, if you're looking for wallet D apps, let's head back. Look at this. You just tap explore D apps. So you then tap this drop down arrow, select category. So whatever it is you're looking for, you just tap on the option. So let's say I'm looking for wallets. Okay, I just tap wallets, and then at the bottom, the network, you click on the drop down arrow and then you choose your preferred network. So if you're looking for wallets on Ethereum chain, you tap Ethereum. If you're looking for wallets on Polygon, you just tap Polygon. Guys, this is an incredible website. So let's tap Ethereum. So guys, let's tap view results. So guys, you could see various wallets. Okay, just look at this. Guy, look, I'm sure you never knew of this, right? Guys, all you have to do is just to simply apply the relevant filters and you'll see a long list of whatever it is you're looking for. Okay, everything is just categorized and searchable. That's it on how to use Blockscout in a nutshell. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in the next video.